Good morning, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike here at Toledo Bend Lake, making another video today. Today's video is going to be on store number 136. It's called Monte, and it's a 1968 6 horsepower. Monte brought it to me and wanted a light restore, mechanical restore. So I took her completely apart, all the components, and did a rebuild on the magneto, new spark plugs, new rope and handle, rebuilt the carburetor, and rebuilt the gear case, had a leak and shift boot, pressure tested, put the oil in it, and she runs like a charm in the barrel. Now I'm going to take her out for a test run on the lake here. A little windy this morning, but I think I can handle it. I'm going to take her out for a test run and see how she does. Everybody's ready. Here we go. This is what happens when things go wrong. The motor doesn't run well. I have to keep it choked for it to run, so I had to make a circle in the wind to get back to the bank. Things don't always go well. Got to take it out and find out why it doesn't keep running. Going to be a carburetor cleaning. It ran good in the barrel, but it's all part of the testing process. So I'm going to take her out the water now. I did have a paddle with me. Just an example of bad decisions. Went out on a windy day, motor didn't run. Got to start all over. Got to pick a better time. You got to be able to laugh at yourself and have fun. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you all next time. Well, thanks for watching the video. I'd like to take this time to share with you some of the offerings that I have here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards. The first thing is my eBay store. I have over 2,000 parts in my eBay store, almost anything you need for your vintage outboard motors. Johnson and Evinrude, 1950s and 60s, 20 horsepower and less. Have the link to my eBay store and all of these services down below in the description. Second thing is technical consulting. I offer technical consulting to help with your outboards, $40 an hour. Just buy one of these and you get an hour's worth of consulting. If it's 5 or 10 minutes of a question or two and you want to call me, it's free. Just call me. My phone number is 337-278-5429. I answer my phone all the time. All right. Next thing I do is I started selling kits for your motors. I have a master tune-up kit for doing your ignition magnetos. I have the coils, points and condensers, spark plug wire, spark plugs, and I also sell all of these parts individually. All right. Next thing I started offering now is fuel pump conversion kits, the FPCs, to upgrade from a dual line to a single line. Offer a kit for the 7.5s, for the 10 horsepowers, and for the 15 and 18 horsepowers. All right. The next thing I do is I service, repair, and restore. I've done over 130 full restores. I do a light restore for $9.50. I do a full restore for $12.50, and I do service and repair work for $40 an hour plus parts. All right. And also, I have T Mike caps and mouse pads for sale. All right, join the T Mike Club and buy you some of these. So the links for all this are down below. And also, I have over 280 videos now on everything you need to know. If you come up with something that you find I don't have a video for, just hit me up on this channel or on my phone number, and I'll try to do it for you. Thanks so much, and remember, always remember, and never forget, we're doing it one motor at a time.